Good morning, closet friends. Well, finally, we've passed that hurdle called the May long weekend. And I've learned in Canada, you don't try and plant anything in your garden before the May long weekend. So spend this weekend putting plants out in the pots around my deck. And it was strangely satisfying. I haven't actually put plants out there for a while, probably because I was always so busy traveling. I was never really at home, and this year I've given it full tilt, so I'm excited to see how they come up. What would I rather do? Would I rather be planting my garden, or would I rather be traveling? Well, that's a no-brainer. I'd rather be traveling. I cannot wait to travel again. I'm really crossing my fingers that they lift this quarantine hotel program. It's been the most horrible program and so badly administered. It just doesn't work at all. So I'm hoping that they will lift that, and I'm hoping we can get our vaccination numbers up. I really want to go away somewhere, anywhere. So keep your fingers crossed, and in the meantime, keep planting those gardens. Cheers.